Hello student, I am Assistant Professor Saili Patil from Sarath College of Arts, Commerce and Science, Pune. In this session, I will discuss with you class SYBCom subject Cost and Works Accounting, semester 4. In this session, I will discuss some MCQs with their answers in Material Accounting chapter from Material Accounting. If you like my videos, please press like button and share with your friends as well as subscribe our Sarath College YouTube channel. So this is your first question. A proper classification and codification of various items in store is essential for efficient A. Record keeping, B. Storage, C. Selling. Correct answer is B. That is, for the storage purpose, proper classification and codification of various items in store is essential for efficient storage. Question number 2. Dash is the grouping of material accounting to its nature. A. Classification, B. Codification, C. Centralization, and third and correct answer is A. That is the classification. In classification, the various material are grouped under various categories. For example, steel items, building material, petrol, diesel, lubricant, etc. It may be further classified into subgroup. So the classification is the correct option for this question. Classification is the grouping of material according to its nature. Dash is the procedure for assigning symbol to the material. A. Classification, B. Codification, C. Centralization, and the correct answer is B. Codification explain or identification of material is convenient is a procedure for assigning symbol to the material. So the correct option is B. The dash method of codification is generally based on the mnemonic system. A. Alphabetical, B. Numerical, C. Alphanumerical, and correct answer is A. Alphabetical. The alphabets are used for the codification of each category of material, and it explains the word mnemonic system for the heading. So correct answer is A. Alphabetical. Dash is the organizational head of store department. A. Storekeeper, B. Purchase manager, C. Store clerk. Correct answer is A. Storekeeper is the organizational head for the store department. Then C. 6 number question. Maintaining prompt and accurate records of all goods received, issued, and returned in the duty of A. Inspection clerk, B. Goods receiving clerk, C. Storekeeper. Correct answer is C. Storekeeper. Maintaining prompt and accurate records of all goods received, issued, and returned is the duty of storekeeper. The dash is maintained by storekeeper. Correct answers A. Options are A. Bean card. Second option B. Sales report. C. Production report. Correct answer is A. Bean card. Bean card is maintained by the storekeeper. The storekeeper often maintains a record of quantity of each material. Such record is known as bean card. So the bean card is maintained by storekeeper, and correct option for this question is A. Then a store ledger is maintained by which department? Correct options are A. Stores, B. Cost, C. Purchase. Correct answer is B. The store ledger is maintained by cost department. So the correct options are option number B. Dash is a record of both quantities and values. Options are A. Bean card, B. Store ledger, C. Inspection report. Correct answer is B. That is store ledger. Store ledger is maintained in the cost accounting department and provides provide the information regarding the store, which is similar like a bean card, but it records the money value of material. So It records both quantities and the values of material. So correct options are B. Dash method of pricing issues follows the principle that material received first are first issued. Options are A. Weighted average, B. LIFO, LIFO, last in first out, C. First in first out, and the correct option is C. In first out method. Under this method of pricing issues follows the principle that material received first are issued first. So correct option is FIFO, option C. Under the dash method of pricing issues, stock is valued at historical price. Correct options are A. FIFO, first in first out, B. LIFO, last in first out, C. Simple average, and correct answer is B. LIFO, that is in last in first out method of pricing issues, stock is valued at a historical prices. Simple average method is based on the principle that material issued should be valued at dash price. Correct answer. Options are A. Weighted, B. Simple, C. Periodic. Correct answer is B. As per the word, simple average method is valued at a simple average price. So correct option is B. Under which method or dash method of pricing issues are valued at a price calculated by dividing the total cost of material in the stock by the total quantity of material in stock. Options are A. Simple average, B. Weighted average, C. Last in first out. Correct options is B, that is the weighted average. In weighted average, this method of pricing issues are valued at a price divided by total cost of material in the stock total calculated by dividing the total cost of material in the stock by total quantity of material in stock. So correct option is B. Stores organization dash, which store organization is adapted to store all the goods at a centrally located at one place. So correct options find from the following options. A. Centralized, B. Central store with sub-store, C. Independent. So correct options are A, that is the centralized store organization is adapted to store all the goods at centrally located at one place. Under which method of pricing material issue of the value of closing stock represent the current market price? Options are weighted average, B. LIFO, last in first out, C. First in first out. Correct answer is C. In first out method of pricing material issue, the value of closing stock represent the current market price. Thank you, student. Thank you for listening.